Welcome back to Force Kite and Wake, everybody. Finally, we want to review this foil. We've been writing it for quite a while. I know that a lot of you guys were following our channel and wondering when we're going to review the thruster. Well, we put some miles on that bad boy here, and I can tell you one thing: we're really happy of everything that we saw in the water. We sold quite a few of those foils, so actually we've been following up with customers and wanted to see what other people think about the foil, and so far we have amazing response from the foil. As you can see, it's quite different than anything else out there. And why it's that, the wings are completely flat, there's no winglets, there's no bow on the wings. So I was wondering, how is this foil so stable? Why do we see on Instagram pictures with Brandon Scheid like carving with his foil, having half of the wing out of the water? You know, it's like immediately when I saw that, I called Brandon and Jason Slizak and it's like, hey guys, just tell me, cool pictures. Was this just for the picture? Was it following up with a big explosion after that photo shoot? What was happening? I can tell you one thing, the first thing we noticed with this foil, it's exactly what you guys see on the videos and the pictures. It's very easy to recover from cavitation for that foil. Immediately call Jason, a good friend of mine, and ask him, okay Slizzy, what's up with the thruster? We love it, it works really well, we want to know the tech behind it. So here it goes. The tech behind the thruster, and what makes it so unique is actually, Slizzy said for first time they used a hydrodynamic software, basically the same software where manufacturers are using to calculate the shape of a propeller in the water. So the Liquid Force R&D team found that software and designed those wings, and they look as simple as you can possibly get on those. But if you guys, basically what Slizzy told us, there's a lot of engineering behind it. The main reason why the thruster recovers so well from cavitation and why it feels so smooth into the water is because there's an invisible offset between the leading edge and trailing edge of this wing. I don't know much about hydrofoiling engineering. I can tell you one thing, everybody loves the foil. It starts early, not as early as the rocket, maybe just a little bit behind. But it's excellent beginner foil. Don't be scared of the skinny wings. Actually, it's easy to learn on this foil. And most importantly, it's a foil that is going to be absolutely hard to outgrow, simply because the top speeds are pretty high on this foil. You can easily go to your local Wednesday six-pack foil race and actually have a whole lot of fun on this foil. The wings are made from glass, which is a little bit more expensive way to manufacture hydrofoils, but again, Liquid Force was chasing this quality, so they're extremely stiff. The entire foil is extremely stiff, which is important, actually very important. If you guys progress to the level where you're going 20-30 miles an hour, when you're going to aggressive tacks, aggressive jibes, so that stiffness is crucial on how the product is manufactured. On the original prototypes, when Liquid Force was designing this foil, at the beginning they have the winglets, like on the North Speedster, so basically a couple of wings sticking out. After quite a few tests, actually they said that they didn't see any benefits of adding those winglets of the way how the foil performed. So they were removed later on. Actually, they saw negatives of those winglets because imagine if I have something sticking up here or on my back wing, you know, it's gonna be quite a bit easier to damage it, or maybe kick it with your foot underneath the water, or something that can poke your eye while you're learning. So kind of nice and simple, all edges are nicely rounded. You know, nothing really can hurt you in the water if you fall over it. Yeah, of course you're gonna be bruised up, but you know, it's like it feels safe to me. For 2018, the thruster comes with this new fuselage, which is the hydrodynamic fuselage. You can see it's skinnier on the back, it looks nice and smooth. Again, it's made out of aluminum, even though it's painted black, and on a lot of pictures you may mistake that fuselage for a carbon fuselage. It's not. Actually, it's a strong aluminum, which we really like. The thruster is about 10 pounds, so it's not horribly heavy. You know, so 10 pounds, it brings it back to the light side of the hydrofoils out there. And what we like also is this little nose sticking on the wings. Most foils don't have that, so the first thing that you hit in the water is actually the wing, which brings it to a costly repair or replacement. Hitting that fuselage, it's going to totally protect the foil and it's going to give it that longevity. Liquid force stick with the brass screws on aluminum. Again, you have to treat them right. Like any foil, you have to apply some kind of chemical that is going to fight the electrolysis. We like Lonocate a lot. So guys, you know, just maintain your foil properly so you don't end up cutting those fuselages and not able to take this foil apart. Probably you're gonna realize that days before your vacation, and that's not gonna be good. Overall, priced perfectly, $8.99 for a foil with this much quality and this much versatility, I will say. You know, if this is your first foil, don't be scared. It looks skinny, it looks fast, but it's easy to ride. It starts very early. The wind is thick, so it generates a lot of lift on the small speeds. If you're looking to get an upgrade on your existing foil, maybe a good idea to look into the thruster, because I don't know what else you're gonna want from a foil. You know, it goes pretty fast. It's super smooth. It looks amazing. It's nice and clean. As far as the shape and the design on everything going on the foil. So yeah, strongly recommending this model. If you guys want to learn more about it, everybody here at the Force Kite and Wade Hydrofoils, and we're here 7 days a week, so give us a call, 843-329-3004, and thank you so much again for watching, and ride it with force.